Hey guys, Little Gueck Airsoft here. Today's video is to show you how to install a new motor in my KWA CQR Mod 1. Let's get started. First you want to unscrew these two screws. Then remove this, pull off the wiring, and I would take a picture or something so you know how the wires go. If I can get this off. And then pull out the motor. You will then put in your new motor, reattach your wiring, put your base plate on, and screw that back on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, you might have to adjust the motor height, but you might not. Also, thanks for watching this very fast installation guide, and yeah, so thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.